There are many health benefits. So I went because I am not a doctor, but because I love the drink so much. Ginger, turmeric, and garlic mixture. I love the drink so much. I went ahead and I did my research because I would like to inform everyone who have not heard of this drink before, or even if you have heard of the drink but you do not know the benefits. I'm here to inform you of some, not all, of some of the benefits of drinking turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Yes, yeah, this is the drink. It is so yummy and delicious. You can drink it hot or cold, but right now I'm about to drink it cold. Yes, y'all. It is so delicious, and it has no sugar. And with no sugar and it's cold, it's just like a nice quench. You don't need any sugar. If you're going to drink it hot, you might want to add
hello, and how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Well, everyone stay safe, stay blessed. Say your prayers before you go to your bed tonight, y'all, because tomorrow is not promised to any one of us. So let's pray before we go to sleep tonight. All right? And do not let the bed bugs bite. Stay safe, stay warm, y'all, as the weather starting to change here in New York. I pray everyone adjusts to the weather, because you know these are times that we might get a little bit sick, and sniff. Cold might starting to go around because the weather is changing. So let's adjust to the times and the weather, you guys. But anyway, keep good, y'all, and don't forget to like, comment, share on my Facebook page now, y'all. Okay, guys, don't forget, support a sister. Okay, yes. Also, my YouTube channel, the link is in my bio. You can head over to my YouTube. Yes, so I'm here taking it easy, you guys. So I'm just jumping in. I just remember that a subscriber had asked about what app I use and how do I edit my videos. So that's why I came and said, let me make a quick video and explain the app I use. But the tutorial, you can also go on YouTube, type in how to use Video Shop, because that's the app I use. If you want to use that app, it's great. It's called Video Shop, and you'll find everything there on YouTube on how to edit your video on Video Shop. Because the way I edit my video, you might want to edit it there like that, and also the Canva is great for intro video and outro as well. That's the app I use. So when you see me with my beautiful thumbnails, the ones that look real posh, those are from Canva. Yeah, sometimes I take my time and do them, and sometimes it's a rush thing because I have things to do. But if you see, mostly all my thumbnails, I edit them on Canva. 1 or 2 times I might just do something quick, but if you see something really cute and fancy, it's Canva, that Canva app. So anyway, guys, we have to be in good courage, and God will strengthen our hearts. So this is the look. Nothing really. Yeah. This is the look. This is the look. Yes, yeah. So this is not gonna be a long video. Just showing you, you know, a little piece of the hairstyle. I've never gotten this one before, so this is a new one. So when I take out these jumbo, it's gonna be nice and curly, you know, from the braid. So that will be nice. Yes, y'all. Comment below if you like my hair, if you like the styling. Okay, subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera. I don't have my tripod right now. It's outside. I just decided, oh, let me just make a quick something because I didn't show you all my hair. It's a nice evening to just come and say hi. It's been a while. It's been a while I haven't made a video. I've been so busy, y'all, on Facebook, you know, trying to get some stuff done over there, trying to accomplish some things on my Facebook page. And so far I'm trying to, you know, advance as well in the content creating business, because, you know, I'm not good at it yet. I'm still trying, you know. Sorry guys, if my eyes look a little funny, I'm cold. Yes, y'all. It's a nice evening. The sun is out. So if you're hearing noise, there's a train passing overhead. So that's the noise you're hearing. Yes. I'm like, oh my God, it's a while I haven't made a video. I should have turned the camera this way. But then you won't really see. Guys, let's do it this way. Up on the wall. And look at these. These were some red and white Christmas trees. They were very simple but yet so beautiful. It's the way the decorations are made. You understand? You have to know what you are doing to make it all come together so nicely. They did a very good job. Yes, you guys. So beautiful, so simple, yet so pretty. Yes. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that cute? Yes. Red and white. When I saw this, I thought about Valentine's. You understand? The red and white color, representing love, you know? Yes, look at it. Yeah. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, you guys, here in Brooklyn. Everywhere I go. You understand? Hope you're enjoying this. I was so happy I got to capture some of these moments because, you know, memories last a lifetime. You understand? So we have to capture. For those of you who do not know as yet, I have a YouTube channel. You can find my YouTube channel on my Facebook page. Also, the link is in my bio. I have been promoting my YouTube channel for months. So if you did not know, now is a chance to get tuned in. You don't want to miss. Also, I have a new YouTube video that will be dropping today, y'all. Today. You don't want to miss. So the link is in my bio. If you cannot find the link in my bio, just head over to my Facebook wall. There's plenty of YouTube videos. You just click on one and you will see my YouTube page. You're gonna want to like my YouTube page, subscribe, comment, click the bell to be notified. Hi everyone, thank you for joining the live. Thank you guys. I like interaction, so you can interact with me, okay? Yes, I love interaction. So how is everyone doing? I know you guys have not seen me for a while. I know.